Yeah, I think they're about to test one in the sun. They're doing something. Yeah, I think they're testing right now. I think this is it. It's gonna happen. It's about to happen. Here we go. Wait. Yes, come on. Test. Oh. Oh. Yes! Yes! Yo guys, I wasn't even knowing about this. Oh, there they go. Whoa. Oh, this is how they do it. Yo, let's go. That was great. Alright guys, they just stopped it on the lift. I don't know why they did that. Here's mock fun. Hopefully we can get a angle of it testing over here. That would be sick. Yeah guys, it looks like they're getting really close to opening. See? Fun in the sun. Fun in the sun. Oh, did he just come down from the operator? Alright.